Welcome Cryptopians to Total Crypto Updates, bringing you another video for real deep dives into the crypto industry. I can't promise to only speak about crypto, but I can promise everything will be overstood. Let's dive into today's very dense crypto update. Today we will start off with the news and rumors of Crypto.com, which have been confirmed true in a series of tweets. On October 21st, Crypto.com made the error of sending more than 320,000 Ether, or almost $400 million, to a competing cryptocurrency exchange known as Gate. This was discovered today when a person on Twitter shared a screenshot asking why a significant amount of Ether had abruptly migrated out of Crypto.com a few weeks ago. In the picture, the user asked why this had occurred. In response to the tweet, the chief executive officer of the company, Chris Marsalek, stated that the transfer occurred as a consequence of human mistake. Marsalek reported that a member of his team had, inadvertently, transferred around 80% of the Ether that was stored in their reserves to a whitelist exchange. According to him, the monies were supposed to be transferred to a different wallet that was kept in a cold storage facility. Chris tweeted in a reply to @Knorgrigan and @Ledger Status. It was supposed to be a move to a new cold storage address, but was sent to a whitelist external exchange address. We worked with Gate team and the funds were subsequently returned to our cold storage. New process and features were implemented to prevent this from reoccurring. Crypto.com returned the cash to its cold wallets over the following days. However, Crypto.com did this mistake before. A Crypto.com employee mistakenly transmitted over $7.1 million to a client last year. The company sued for the monies afterwards. Moving on to Polygon and its consistent innovation. Polygon has made history by becoming the first blockchain network to host an airport metaverse, and BLR Airport is responsible for this accomplishment. The new metaverse that BLR Airport has created on Polygon emphasizes the possible use cases, particularly for commercial objectives. It may make it simpler for clients to become familiar with the airport online. Polygon's tweet on November 12 read, "Hello Flyers. At BLR Airport. Launches #Metaport, the world's first airport metaverse exclusively hashtag on Polygon. To showcase the T2 terminal. Experience the phygital world of socializing, shopping, entertainment. Welcome to the future powered by #Polygon. At AWS. And at Intel. Next, another crypto lending platform may be on its way down. Users were taken aback when the cryptocurrency lending company Blockfi said it would temporarily suspend withdrawals. The announcement that was made on November 10 came one day after Blockfi stated that all of its products were operating regularly and that personnel throughout the business were assuaging client fears about the potential for spread. Even in the hours leading up to the announcement, Blockfi did not stop trying to encourage more consumer deposits of money into the platform. Blockfi pinned a tweet on November 10 that stated, "We are shocked and dismayed by the news regarding FTX and Alameda. We, like the rest of the world, found out about this situation through Twitter. Given the lack of clarity on the status of FTX.com, FTX US and Alameda, we are not able to operate business as usual. Our priority has been and will continue to be to protect our clients and their interests. Until there is further clarity, we are limiting platform activity, including pausing client withdrawals as allowed under our terms. We will share more specifics as soon as possible. We request that clients not deposit to Blockfi wallet or interest accounts at this time. We intend to communicate as frequently as possible going forward but anticipate that this will be less frequent than what our clients and other stakeholders are used to." Blockfi. Zach Prince, the founder and CEO of Blockfi, has declined to comment because he is now on paternity leave till the end of the year. Blockfi, which had touted a $3 billion valuation and attracted backing from investors like Vala Ventures, Paradigm, SoFi, Galaxy Digital, and Acuna Capital, is currently mired in doubt as a result of this lack of transparency from the company's leadership. Even Christopher Giancarlo, who had previously served as head of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, stood on its board for a period of 4 months before resigning. Blockfi also tweets on November 10. Silvergate, our US-based banking partner, will be observing the federal holiday, Veterans Day, on November 11. As a result of this planned third-party closure, ACH and wire transactions scheduled for November 11 will not process until November 14. In the tweet announced by Blockfi reads: Announcement. Crypto withdrawals are unaffected. All crypto withdrawals continue to be processed as normal in line with our terms and conditions. Wire withdrawals, any wire withdrawals submitted after Thursday, November 10 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time will not be processed until Monday, November 14. ACH deposits and withdrawals may be delayed by 2 extra business days. Loan processing, wire loan funding and fiat payment requests submitted after Thursday, November 10 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time will not be processed until Monday, November 14. Crypto loan funding and crypto loan payment requests are unaffected and will be processed as normal. Blockfi. November 10, 2022. Blockfi has not responded for several days. Moving on to Stasis and the XRPL integration finalized. Stasis issued a tweet on November 1, which read: Stasis team is happy to finalize #XRP Ledger integration for the #EURS stablecoin, enabling a new powerful stream for the global digital asset economy. Stasis, the issuer of EURS, the largest euro-backed digital asset, incorporated the XRP ledger to further develop the idea of multi-chain stablecoin. November 1, 2022, Malta Stasis, the largest euro-backed stablecoin issuer, has integrated XRP Ledger for EURS, adding another significant stream to the global digital asset ecosystem. XRP Ledger, developed by the XRPL Community, Foundation, and Ripple, a major enterprise blockchain and cross-border payment cryptography solutions provider, will reopen stablecoin use cases. By 2022, EURS is the most trusted asset in the euro stablecoin market, which has few fintech competitors. Many stablecoin firms have sought to enter the market, but the worldwide user base is still learning about the hazards of these products. Stasis-issued stablecoin is unique due to its characteristics. After studying euro stablecoins, the project team found EURS to be the best multi-chain asset. Considering multi-chain development, XRPL is the blockchain rails that offer enhanced scalability, speed, and cost. Stasis bridges Web 2.0 to Web 3.0 financial services and pioneers stablecoin use cases including acquisition, DeFi lending, remittance, and white-label corporate settlement. Next we have a short clip featured by Michael Saylor on CNBC. Michael Saylor, co-founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy Incorporated, explains the effects of FTX's collapse on Friday, November 11, 2022. Here is the clip.
Great to have you back on the program, and certainly a key time to talk to you.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So I want to start with what we have seen playing out in the cryptocurrency space more broadly this week in light of everything with FTX, the ripple effects to other assets, including the price of Bitcoin, and just get your response to what we're seeing and how it's unfolding.
I think this week highlights the virtues of Bitcoin as much as it exposes the fragility of the crypto ecosystem. Bitcoin's a commodity you can self-custody without an issuer. The vast majority of all the crypto tokens out there are unregistered securities trading on unregulated exchanges, and they're fairly centralized. And so what could go wrong? Well, we saw what could go wrong if a centralized token trading on an unregistered exchange blows up this week. I think that the Bitcoiners have been predicting this for a long time. Speaking for all the Bitcoiners, we feel like we're trapped in a dysfunctional relationship with crypto, and we want out.
So how do you get out? Does this enable it when you see a shakeout like this across the broader space?
Look, I think the industry needs to grow up, and the regulators are coming into this space. And what the world wants is it wants digital assets and digital commodities and digital securities, but there's no way to register a digital security. There's no clear guideline or roadmap for designating a digital commodity. The world wants $1 trillion of digital currency in the form of the USD stablecoin. And so I think that the regulatory intervention of late has been all negative, like enforcement. But the marketplace is waiting for the regulators to say, this is how you register a digital currency. This is how you register a digital security or a digital commodity. And instead of saying all the crypto exchanges should register, we need to get the crypto exchanges registered because the future of the industry is registered digital assets trading on regulated exchanges where everyone has the investor protections they need. And the investors in general understand the difference between Bitcoin and a stable coin and a security token.
Does this propel regulators to do that, to move more quickly and to actually implement some of these regulations? And if so, does it also increase the risk that those regulations maybe are too aggressive or don't necessarily get at the heart of this discussion right now?
Well, I think it's definitely going to strengthen the hand of the regulators. It's going to accelerate their intervention, and there's a regressive regulation, which is to say you can't really do anything, and that'll contract the industry. Bitcoin will be the winner because Bitcoin is a digital commodity and it's the least controversial of everything. But there's a progressive regulation which says this is a path to register a digital security, a digital currency, a digital token, and your digital exchange. If there is a progressive regulation, then I think you won't see 20,000 tokens, you'll see a handful, dozens, but they'll be properly registered tokens. The industry is going to grow much more rapidly. And ultimately, we're moving from the entrepreneurial stage where this was a Wild West offshore where anything goes to an institutional digital asset stage where the big players like Bank of America and Fidelity and BlackRock and the Goldman Sachs and JP Morgans are going to enter this space, and we're all just going to grow up and the world is going to benefit from that.
That will conclude today's update on trending news in the crypto world. Thank you for watching if you made it all the way through. Stay tuned, we are an active admin. Please like, comment, and subscribe and never be afraid to voice your opinion. Tell us in the comments what you think, and give us some suggestions on what kind of content you'd like us to deep dive into. Until next time, good day, good night, and goodbye.